Solve the equation using the quadratic formula. 3t squared minus 4t equals -5. Recall that the quadratic formula is x is equal to -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, where the equation is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. In order to get our equation of that form, we'll need to add 5 to both sides of the equation so that we have standard form 3t squared minus 4t plus 5 equals 0. Now we know that a is equal to 3, the coefficient of t squared, b is equal to -4, the coefficient of t, and c is our constant of 5. Using the quadratic formula, we have t is equal to negative of -4 plus or minus the square root of -4 squared minus 4 times 3 times 5, all divided by 2 times 3. Simplifying, we have t is equal to 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 60, all divided by 6. Simplifying further, we have t is equal to 4 plus or minus the square root of -44, all divided by 6. Simplifying the radicand, we have t is equal to 4 plus or minus 2i times the square root of 11, all divided by 6. Now we can divide out the common factor of 2 from the numerator and denominator, and we have t is equal to 2 plus or minus I times the square root of 11, all divided by 3. Writing in standard form, this is 2/3 plus or minus the square root of 11 over 3 times I. And thus the solution set is the set containing 2/3 minus the square root of 11 over 3i and 2/3 plus the square root of 11 over 3i.